Hello everyone, today is the third day of Christmas and we are making apple pie. This recipe is such a yummy recipe. Stay with me from the beginning to the end because I'm going to show you how to make yummy apple pie for Christmas. Let's go guys. Alright guys, the first thing you're going to do is to get your apples. You peel the back. Yeah, after peeling the back, this is what you're gonna have. I have this, my apple cutter. Hey Jade, is Jade here? Yeah, so I'm just gonna use it to cut the apples. It's just like a cutting apple made easy kind of thing. But I enjoy using it, yeah, because it's gonna just give you the perfect cutting of your apples. And even though I'm still gonna dice it, but this made the work easier for me. After doing that, I dice and I have it like this in a bowl. I will now put in cinnamon powder or nutmeg. If you want, you can just use nutmeg and set that aside. Let's go now and make the dough. Put your flour in a bowl, add in your sugar, give it a very good and quick mix. You now put in water. All the measurement is captured in the video, guys. I'll capture the measurement in the description. If you have any question, you can drop it. Now I'm putting in my butter and give it a gentle mix. At this point, we're going to make the butter sauce. You put in butter on fire, allow it to melt, put in your granulated sugar or your normal sugar, preferably the granulated sugar. Then you add in your corn flour and mix it until everything melts in the pot before you put in your water. When you put in the water, you allow it to cook for a while. The last ingredient you are putting is the apple that you've mixed with cinnamon powder. This is what the filling looks like. We're gonna keep this aside and allow it to cool, then work on our dough. I kept the dough in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. Then I'm just going to be rolling it. I'm using the normal baking pan, yeah, so I just put that on it so as to get the perfect measurement of the baking pan. Then you put it, don't forget to grease your pan with butter and put in the dough. Make use of your finger spoon to create holes round about. This is my egg. Just crack one egg, whisk it and brush it over. And on the other hand, I'm going to be making the toppings. To get that shape, you're going to roll your dough into a flat shape. Then you cut it just the way I am doing in the video now. You try your best to get equal sizes. So it depends on the size you want. You can make it bigger, you can make it smaller, but this is just what works best for me. I like it. I'm gonna put it inside, then lay it one after the other, make it beautiful and yummy, so that your eyes is not gonna reject the food that you are giving it. At this point, make sure that you are already preheating your oven. You should preheat your oven. I am using a gas oven, so if you're using an electric oven, it's still fine, but please make sure you preheat your oven. This is what we have now. Then we are going to brush the surface with egg wash. Yeah, this is ready to go to the oven. I'm gonna bake this for 20 minutes and guys, it's ready. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Do have a beautiful day. Bye guys.